Hey, Scott Jordan for Airx Laboratories, and today we're going to talk about Airx carpet care products. We have Airx 80 and Airx 82. Airx 80 is one of the original products from 25 plus years ago that we developed and got approved by the EPA as a carpet sanitizer. There's a very important difference between our product and every other product that's on the market that has a carpet sanitizing claim. Our product was specifically developed for carpet. Every other product that's on the market had the carpet claim added to a hard surface disinfectant. And obviously you don't want to be cleaning your carpet with a floor cleaner because it's going to leave residue behind. So when we started working on this product, we said we need to make a product that is just for carpet, and that is Airx 80. It's been around for a long time. It has all the up-to-date claims on it as far as odor and pathogen control, and most importantly, it can be used multiple ways to clean your carpet. It can be used in a truck mount unit. It can be used as a bonnet cleaner. It can be used as an extraction cleaner, and it can be used with low moisture carpet cleaning equipment as well. So it can be used to all the methods of carpet cleaning. Airx 82 is a relatively newer product. That's an encapsulation product. While it doesn't have any pathogen control, it has great odor control with the Airicide, just like the Airx 80 also has Airicide as well. This is meant for low moisture carpet cleaning, and it's not going to leave any residue behind. Airx 80 doesn't leave that much residue behind either, but Airx 82 is an encapsulation material. So when it dries, it creates a fracturable coating that falls off of the fibers and allows the carpet to return to its original new state. So as it fractures off, it's going to take that dirt with it. The next time you do your vacuuming, your carpet's going to be as clean as when it was brand new. So those are the two key products for Airx Carpet Care. For more information, go to airxinfo.com.